Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students. Here we are again in virtual class of Pakistan International School, Taif. So today we are starting the second lecture of our social study book 5. So in the second lecture of social study for class 5, we will learn in this lecture the following things. Number one, we will learn in the last lecture we have learned from the page number 1 and page number 2. Here we are starting from the page number 3. In page number 3 we will learn about the prime meridians and international date line, which is to be denoted in IDL. It is also in page number 3. And outline map of world, it is also in page number 3. And number 4, how to study a map grids. It is also be given in page number 3. You will see if you have a book, and if you can open. If you don't have, then I am sharing its screen also. And the fifth thing is the keys, which is to be used in to understand the different type of the maps, the symbols and the colors used in the maps. In the number 6, we will learn about the imaginary map of a place which show key points, which is to be given in page number 4. So now here we are going to, in our class 5 social study book, page number 3. So as you know very well from here, so here we are reading it. All the meridians pass through the poles and are of an equal length. So look at here. We have learned here in the last lecture. This is the parallel latitudes. In the parallel latitudes, we have learned in the last lecture, there is a 0 point which is to be called as the equator, and at the 90 degree it will be the North Pole, and at the 90 degree down it shows the South Pole. So on these lines, so these are the lines, you can see it. On these lines has to be 0 degree. Here on the equator we have learned to be a 0 degree. It was decided in 1884 that this meridian called the prime meridians. These are also called to be a prime meridians. Longitudinal meridians are the latitude meridians. These are to be decided when? In 1884. So here we are learning here, the International Meridian Conference was held in the October 1884 in Washington, D.C. in the United States to determine a prime meridians international to use where the countries are to be globally located. This prime meridian shows how globally the different countries are to be located. For example, here they have shown us the Greenwich. Greenwich is near the London, and London in England. So here Greenwich is to be denoted at the 0 degree. Greenwich is a point in England which is to be a starting point on the maps, which shows the 0 degree. And from as we will go to up, this degree will be increases. As we go further up, this degree will be increases further, and here we will reach over here, it will be the 90 degree. Exactly same, if we will go to the downwards, this degree will be decreases. So exactly same way, in these prime meridians we can locate the different countries according to the degree wise. So lines drawn to the west of the prime meridians are marked with W. Here are the west, east and west. In the last lecture we have learned already in the compass directions we have learned the east, west, south, north. So these are the prime meridians are marked with the W with the west, and those to the east are marked with a E. The 180-degree meridians is exactly opposite to the 0-degree. Look at here. This is the 0-degree. So in the opposite to the 0-degree, over here it will be the 180-degree. If we will plot here a one line like this one, so it will show us the 180-degree. 90 is here and 90 is here. It is to be exactly, if we will plot here a line, it will show us the 180-degree. So on the other side of the world, it is known as international dateline. Now we are talking about the international dateline. So before it, we will also learn it is the meridian line in a Greenwich represents the prime meridian. So this 0-degree line is called to be the prime meridian, and longitudinal of 0-degree and 0 second and 0 minutes. This is the 0-degree. This shows 0 seconds and this shows the 0 minutes. Every places on the earth is measured in terms of its angle east or west from the line. Since 1884, the prime meridian has served as the reference point to the Greenwich time GMT, which is, and that the time is also to be located from this Greenwich time, which is to be located at 0. If we will go to the upward, the time will be increases. If we will go to the downwards, the time will be decreases, like as increases in the minutes or in the time system GMT, which we call as a GMT. It is also to be seen in this one. So now here we are talking about the international dateline, which is to be denoted as IDL. So this IDL, so here it is neither east nor west. Here it is not east, not west. Where we cross the IDL means international dateline, traveling towards the east, we gain 1 day. Okay, if we will go to the east, so we will gain a 1 day, means our days will be increases. And if we will go to the west, this time will be there will be a night and day will be in according to IDL traveling system. So now I am showing you how the international dateline works. You may have wondered, how is there only one dateline if a plane keeps on flying around the world? So here we have a globe of Earth, and here it is a North Pole, or we say that globally this point is a north, and globally this point is a south. This point shows, this side of the globe shows the west, and this side of the globe shows the east. This is the Earth. So when it is 11:59 p.m. at the international dateline, the entire world is on the same day. This point, if look at here on the globe, here is the sun, and here we are. This is the equator line, or we say that Greenwich 0-degree, and we say that here it is the time 11:59 p.m. So now you can see this one. But at the midnight, at the international dateline, a tiny slice of the earth is on the new day. So look at this. This side is called to be the west, and this side is to be called to be as a east. So here we show this, on this side of the people are to be facing midnight, and here the little this slice which shows little bit here, you can see say red area of the globe is to be increases. It means day is going on this side, and night is to be going on this side. So here on this point where it is a midnight and international dateline starts from here, and this side of the people east, this red area is to be increasing, means the day is increases towards the east side. So there are actually two datelines. East have the one dateline and the west have the one. So here we have started where the red area is to be increases. It means the day is increases, and this side is east side, it is a Tuesday, and on the west side it is Monday. If planes flies into the red area is Tuesday, and if the plane is on the blue area, it is Monday. Here, the red area is increases. It means Tuesday is gets larger, and here, and the Monday is gets smaller. So here, it completes 360-degree. A plane starts from here and it completes complete round trip of the globe, means it completes 360-degree. It starts from zero, it completes one rotation, means plane can fly Monday right through the Tuesday and back into the Monday. Now you can see here, this is the North Pole. A person A person at the North Pole could easily walk through the circle between the 2 days. If a plane keeps flying around the world, it will simply switch between the 2 days. From this video, it is clear and you can understand the international dateline very well. So from this, it is clear for you. So boys, from this video, so I think you have clearly understand the international dateline. So now, if we are looking this map, an outline map of the world showing the grid formed by the line of the latitude and longitude. So here it is the two lines, longitude, this line is to be called as a longitude, and latitude, two lines. So look at here, here this side is to be the west, as the previous lecture we have learned, and here we have is the east. When our plane was, or we were at this point, and sun was rising on this point, on the west side it was the night, and on the eastwards it 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 was day. So far, look at here, international dateline works as you are going towards the west, the night is falling. As you are going towards the right left side, so it is east. So I think you can understand from here very well how our map of the world showing the grid or the date line. So now how study about the grid. All the lines of the longitude and latitude here upward, and here you can say this line, this arrow line shows the longitude line and this arrow line shows the latitude line. So as the lines of longitude and latitude from a grid as shown in the map above, they are imaginary lines, so you can actually see them on the earth's surface. To find a place on a map, we find its grid reference. So from this it is clear, and the previous you have seen all the things. For example, here we are the map of the Karachi map, and if we will see these grid lines, for example, Karachi is located at the 25-degree north. This arrow line shows the north. Karachi located at 25-degree north and 67-degree east. This means it is 25-degree north of the equator and 65-degree east of the prime meridian. So now we are going further. So now here in this map, this is the map of the city. We can also understand the other key points, how these key points are works on a map. For example, this is the map which have the some key points. For example, here are the key points. This line, which is to be a brown line, which here you can see it, this brown line on the map shows the roads. This dotted black line shows the railway lines, and this zigzag line, look at here, it shows the river, and this black points, black spots shows the different black and different buildings, and this sign which shows the mosque, and here this black dot point shows the well, and these lines which are to be as a line which shows the bridge. So now from these key points we can understand this map very well. So if we are coming to this one, if we will see this key point, we can understand very well. This side, it is this sign shows there is a, in the map, there is to be located, the mosque is located. On this point the railway line is to be located, and this line, this brown line, this brown line, it shows us the different type of the roads, and this shows us the river is flowing from this map, and these points, these points, and these points shows the different vales are in the city, and here are different buildings, and here is a building located in the map, and here are to be the different mosques are to be located, and here on this map we can see the different bridges are to be located. So from this you can understand very well, from the key points you can very well understand the map, which if it is to be given you with the help of a key points, it is really very clear for you to understand map. So thank you very much, students. And this we have learned the 2 pages today, page number 3 and 4, and I think you have better understand today's points. So thank you very much. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will do or complete our exercise book or work page, and also we will finish different question and answer points. So thank you very much. This is the end of the lecture, and thank you all